Hello guys, this is Titi Francisco Vlog. This is strawberry. This is my favorite fruits here in Saudi Arabia, guys. So, they're very delicious, guys. My madam bring it to me. Buy it to me, guys. So, it's too much. This is vitamins. Eat this one. Too much vitamin C. And, I don't know what is the nutrients given to this one. So, this is Titi Francisco Vlog. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, guys. And comments and share. Okay, this is strawberry, my favorite fruits here in Saudi Arabia, guys. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Kain tayo. Bismillah. Strawberry. Too much, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and God bless to everyone.